welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare hot lemon water. Now I'm going to be showing you what hot lemon water is going to do to your body, okay? Now how that is also going to transform your skin by just taking it, and yeah, so don't even go nowhere. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's dive into the video. Okay, so we're gonna be needing lemon, guys. Lemon is great for the body, it's also great for the skin. So I'm actually going to be showing you a very wonderful way in which you're going to be preparing this lemon that is going to be very perfect. Now if you want to look younger and you want to feel lighter and you want your shape to be really great, try this method, okay? And we're equally going to be needing orange. Now I'm actually also going to be preparing orange differently in this remedy. Yeah, orange has a lot of vitamin C and numerous benefits also that helps to keep your body and your skin really healthy, and it increases your immune system. And also organic apple cider vinegar that contains the modder in it. This actually would help you to rejuvenate your body, it will clean your colon, and a very perfect way to prepare this is what I'm going to show you. So the first thing you're going to do is to cut your lemon, okay, into pieces. And then I would have said before cutting you would have to squeeze it this way first, but of course since I've already cut it, that's why I'm actually going to be squeezing it this way, so that it's going to be easier for me to extrude, to press and extract the juice from it. After that is done, you're going to grab a cup and then you're going to press in the juice of the lemon. Okay, so you have to just press in a mini lemon, not too much, for a day. Or if the lemon that you're having is too big, then you have to do just half of that, okay? You actually do not need too much of lemon if you're actually gonna be consistent in this, yeah? Just a little lemon here and there. So after squeezing in the lemon juice, this lemon has a lot of juice though. Well, advice, you don't take too much of it. This is actually too much. But if you want to take it in a consistent, if you want to be consistent in taking this, you don't need to take it this much. So after doing that, then you have to pour in hot water, like hot water, guys. You don't drink lemon with cool water, okay? So you pour in hot water into this, and here you go. Now drink this in the morning, at most 3 times in a week. You do not necessarily need to take it every day, guys, because when you take it every day, it's going to kind of lower your blood level, okay? But when you take it 3 times in a week, you're kind of balancing it, okay? And it's actually going to help you to clear your colon. It's going to remove belly fat, reduces your weight. So this is a very perfect way to drink lemon in the morning. It has to be hot lemon, okay? Hot lemon. This is how it looks like. We're going to be needing another glass, and this time we're going to be needing orange. So what you're going to do in this orange is that you're going to press the orange at first, so that when you want to extract it, you can easily extract all of the juice out of it, okay? So you do it this way. So you do another one like that. You take as many oranges as you would want to. And then you then cut it, okay? And cut the orange. And then you reach for a glass, yeah? So you press this into a glass. And you make sure to extract all of the juice, because this orange juice is very, very important and very, very necessary. When you roll it just like I rolled it, it's gonna be easy to extract the juice. So here I have one orange and I have a good quality of juice, a good quantity of juice. So I have to be squeezing everything in here. Here I have the orange juice, and this you can take it every day. Even you can even take it morning and night, every day for 2 weeks, and your skin will really tell. Okay, you take this every day for 2 weeks, you are going to be loving your skin, because your skin is going to be flawlessly smooth. It's going to be lighter. It's going to remove all of those wrinkles and all of those fine lines, yeah? So the next thing is going to be apple cider vinegar, and we're going to reach out another cup, and then you're going to be taking just 1 cup. You shake it very well so that all of the particles will mix up. And then you take 1 cup into a cup, just 1 cup. And the taste of apple cider vinegar is really horrible. You put in warm water, and here you go. Now for this, guys, you can actually take it 5 times in a week, and it's going to clear your colon. You're going to feel lighter. You're going to be removing all of those belly fat. This is the hot apple cider vinegar. This is orange juice, and this is hot lemon water, yeah? So these 3 ingredients are what you need, guys, for your body. Now you can either choose out of this, but this you can drink it with either this or this. What I mean is that when you're drinking this, you can also drink orange juice. When you're drinking apple cider vinegar, hot apple cider vinegar, you can also drink orange juice. So any of these 3 is actually a good combination, and it actually works really well. Trust me, guys, you're going to be loving it, okay? And it's going to tell you, like, you do not really need to go extra mile in fetching or looking for, you know, any homemade remedies and stuff. You just need this water, this hot water in a day, and your skin is going to be flawless, yeah? And all of those fat is going to be gone. So basically, guys, that's it. You can take either of those ones that I've shown you how to prepare, and trust me, guys, trust me, okay, you are going to be loving your body first, and you are going to be loving your skin second, okay, because it's actually going to clear off all of those stuff in your body. You're going to be feeling very light. I'm actually just, looking fat because I'm pregnant. Yeah, okay, so you don't be like, oh, but you're fat. Yes, I'm pregnant. Yeah, so it's actually going to make you so light, so bright, and so beautiful, and you are going to be loving your skin as well as your body. So try this hot lemon water, any of those ones, okay, and let me know how the comment section how it is for you. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, please